All right, everyone. As I finished block 2 white today, I realized that I did not, right as people were walking out, I realized the mistake I made solving this problem, so I'm going to do it now for everybody. A metal alloy is a mixture of two or more metals. Jeweler wants to make 8 grams of 18 karat gold, so 8 grams, which is 75% gold. Right? That means 6 grams of gold and 2 grams of whatever other metal. The jeweler has an alloy that's 90% gold and an alloy that's 50% gold. How much of each alloy should the jeweler use? So what we want is that X plus Y, right? This is the gold, and this is the non-gold. I'm going to call that non-gold. Gold plus non-gold together would equal 8 grams in total, right? We also want that 0.9 of X, that's the one that's 90% X, plus 0.5 of Y, that's 50% of the non-gold, together to equal 6 grams of gold, right? Because 90% of one is gold and 50% of the other, so we want a total of 6 grams of mixing these up. And we know that if we put all of X, all of the gold, all of the one that's 90% gold, and all of the one that is 50% gold together, we have 8 grams in total. So this is our system of equations. I'm going to take this second equation and literally multiply all the terms by -2. So the first equation, and by the way, I just realized I should have called this 90% gold, and I should have called this 50% gold, not what I called it. All right, so let's change some colors here just so we have something better to work with. So if I do X plus Y equals 8, and I multiply all this by -2, so I get -1.8x minus half of 2 times 0.5 is 1, so minus 1y equals -12. So what ends up happening is I get this system where I can eliminate y and -y, and I get 1 minus 1.8 is -0.8x equals -4. Divide both sides by -0.8, divide by -0.8, and what we get is x equals 5. 0.8 goes into 4, like 80 goes into 40, or sorry, 8 goes into 40 5 times, so 0.8, 80 cents goes into 40 cents 5 times. That means the 50% gold, we want 5 grams of that. And if it's 5 grams of this, we would need 3 grams of this one, so 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer is the jeweler should use 5 grams of 90% and 3 grams of 50% to get you the 75% we're looking for. Now, just to kind of prove that, I just want to use green here. 5 grams times 90%, 90% is equal to 4.5 grams of gold, and the other rest of it, the other 0.5 grams, is just some other metal, plus 3 times 50% gold, right? 3 times 50% gold is 1.5 grams of gold. So in total, you would get 6 grams of gold, but you'd have a total of 8, right? Because 5 grams is 90% gold, that's 4.5 there. And 3 grams, half of that is gold, that's 1.5 there. So 6 grams out of the total 8 grams gives us 75% gold. Hope that made sense. Sorry for any confusion at the end of